Sure presented its programs and conducted a consultation. In 2015, Davao Region has over 19,000 hectares planted to cacao, with Davao City as the leading cacao producer, accounting for 6,060 hectares. So Davao City is likewise home to award-winning chocolate maker, the Malagos Chocolate, and supplier of Asquinosi Chocolate, owned by social entrepreneur. Not only help our growers in advancing their income, but it will create jobs, livelihood, and spur economic activity, especially Davao City being the largest city in the region. So later, Mr. President, I will pass a resolution supporting Davao Region, and is that Davao Region is aimed as the Philippine Cacao Capital. So during the event, Mindanao Development Authority and Department